So we have the Seaspan open house, and in total we're going to have 6,300 employees and their family here to celebrate building ships here in North Vancouver. We've got a whole catered lunch for everybody. We've got a bunch of stations that the trades put together so that they can actually demonstrate to their family and friends what they do here at Seaspan.
Just seeing the young kids of all of our employees enjoying a little glimpse of what shipbuilding's about is really cool.
It's fun, yeah. It's heavy and hot.
I think the highlight is just seeing the kids have so much fun. It's an awesome time.
What I really enjoy is seeing the pride of the workforce that comes in with their families, how they're interacting, they're sharing with their families, everything they do in their day, which is just fantastic to see.
Once a week, my son wants to come and build ships with me, so it's actually really cool seeing the boat and the crane and little activities for the kids.
It's just great to be able to see all the things I hear about, you know. I'll describe things to me and now I can actually visualize it. So it's really nice to be here.
Kids are having fun and food prepared for us. It can get any better.
It's a really unique experience. I'm really thankful to be able to do it here today.
I like the popsicles and I'm having a lot of fun.
We spend a lot of time here at the shipyard, and there's not many opportunities where you get to show it off, and this is an incredible one to do it.